Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products on the market and give you a clear breakdown. Today, we're talking about the best Lavender Rit Dye, the Rit Dye Liquid 8 ounce in Hyacinth. If you're into crafting, DIY fashion, or even just revamping your home decor, this is a dye you definitely need to know about. First up, let's talk about the color. The Rit Dye in Hyacinth offers a beautiful lavender shade that's perfect for adding a soft yet vibrant touch to almost anything. Whether you're working with fabrics like cotton, silk, or even polyester, this dye gives you an amazing, rich color payoff that lasts. It's a versatile option for all kinds of projects, from creating custom shirts to dyeing curtains or even updating throw pillows. What makes this dye stand out is its easy-to-use liquid formula. No need for mixing powders or worrying about uneven coloring. The liquid formula is ready to go, so you can get started right away. Simply mix it with hot water, and in no time, you'll have a solution that's perfect for dipping or even painting onto your fabric. Plus, it's perfect for smaller projects, as this 8-ounce bottle covers quite a bit of ground. But what about the results? Well, you'll be happy to hear that Rit Dye is known for its quality. It provides a consistent and smooth finish, and even on tough fabrics, you won't have to worry about streaks or patches. The Hyacinth color is vibrant and stays true, making it an excellent option for anything from tie-dye to custom tote bags or even small decor pieces. Another great feature is the fact that it's compatible with a variety of materials. It works wonders on natural fabrics like cotton and linen, but it also does a fantastic job on synthetic materials like polyester. That means no matter what type of project you're tackling, this dye is up to the task. Now, if you're wondering about the environmental impact, don't worry. Rit has worked hard to make their dye processes eco-friendly. The formula is non-toxic, so it's safe for home use, and it's designed to work with cold water, saving on energy costs. If you're new to fabric dyeing, don't worry. The process is simple. Just follow the instructions on the bottle for the best results. And with this 3-pack, you'll have plenty of dye for multiple projects, or if you're working on larger items like blankets or even small home decor pieces, you won't run out quickly. So whether you're a seasoned crafter or just getting started, the Rit Dye Liquid in Hyacinth is a fantastic addition to your DIY toolkit. Its lavender hue adds a perfect touch of elegance to any project, and its ease of use ensures you get professional-looking results every time. That wraps up today's review of the best Lavender Rit Dye, the Rit Dye Liquid 8 ounce in Hyacinth. Be sure to check it out and let us know what you think. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more awesome reviews like this one.